Now in the upcoming tutorials, they'll demonstrate how to create and modify alignments. You begin creating an alignment by making the location of tangents and points of intersections for the road centerline alignment. During the creation process, curves between tangents can be created automatically or added later. To accommodate high-speed travel, spirals, and superelevation can be added to the curves. You can enter numeric parameter values for lines, curves, and spirals in the Alignment Entities table. If your alignment design must meet minimum standards, you can apply design criteria to the alignment either before or after it's created. The upcoming tutorials will demonstrate basic alignment creation tasks. If you'd like to learn more about Civil 3D workflow tips and tricks, visit AutoCAD Civil 3D Training.com and be sure to sign up for future video notifications or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Charles Ellison. Take care.